Welcome back to maths class. Today we will start with the new topic, that is reflection. Okay, please open your textbook, page number 153, because so many different diagrams are given to you. I'll explain you that. Okay, just see here what is given on page number 153. The first two keys are given, key A and key B. Right? Now, key A is the reflection of key B, or key B is a reflection of key A. Now what is reflection? When I am keeping here a mirror in between, just see what will happen. Like this way you also keep, I will be able to see key A but in different shape. Okay, different, like this. Just like key B I will able to see in the mirror. Same way here one peacock is given. If you keep exactly in middle of the mirror and just see the other part, you will be able to see this part. Okay, so what will happen when you make two parts of any picture, okay, and then you will be able to see the image of this picture in the mirror, that is the other part, half part of the picture. Okay, just see this triangle is like this way. If you see in the mirror like this, what will happen? You will be able to see this diagram. Okay, please do it. It is not, I don't know it will be clear or not to you here, because I am showing you in the mirror like this way. But if you will see by yourself by keeping mirror, you will be able to see the other part of the picture. Okay, when P, you are writing P and keeping here a mirror, you will be able to see mirror like this image. This is called reflection of that image, reflection of that picture. Okay, and this is like 3 will be seen like this to you. Okay, same way here one activity is given. What you have to do is take a paper, fold in a half, and then take a cotton thread, white color cotton thread, dip in your watercolor, any of the color. If you don't have watercolor, poster color, any color, then take some turmeric, keep in water, dissolve in water, and it will become yellow color. Dip that thread in that turmeric, take it out and just open this folded part, and in that make any design and keep the thread in that way, and then close it. Okay, like this you have to close it. Means if this is a book, okay, in this book I am keeping the thread in between, then I am closing it. Like that way you have to close that by, this is the folded part of it. Okay, and then if you will open, you will be able to see like this picture. Okay, if try it by yourself, this is called reflection of each other. Okay, this is called reflection of each other. Here some examples are given to you. You can solve, you have to solve it by yourself. Draw the reflection of this shape. What will happen here? If you have to draw this shape, what you will do? You will draw here D will come, here the other part will come. Okay, like that way you have to draw. Try this by your own, everyone. Reflection is like this way. Okay, fine. Now turn next page, that is symmetry. Two different words you have to understand. Reflection is the mirror image of any of the picture. Okay, symmetry, this picture, can you see? It is Kathakali dancer's face from Kerala, and it is a symmetrical picture. Why? Because if I draw here in between a center line, okay, then exactly both the sides are same. If whenever you make a half part of any of the picture from middle, from center, and both the sides are similar, they are called, that line is called line of symmetry, and that figure is called symmetrical picture or symmetrical diagram, whatever. Right? Now here some shapes are given to you: rectangle, cross, and a square. See, in rectangle two lines of symmetry are possible, vertical line and horizontal line both. In cross also two lines are possible. Okay, in square here 6 lines are possible, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right, sorry, 4 lines are possible here. Here 2, 2 and here 4. Means 4 lines of symmetry are possible. Okay, if I draw line of symmetry in circle infinite, means how many you want to draw, that many you can draw in that lines. Okay, fine. Now same way here they have made a symmetrical shape. They have just dropped the colors and folded that, the other part is symmetrical. Okay, just like reflection and symmetrical shapes, mostly they are there is a similarity in between them. See, this both are from here center, I can draw a line. Okay, now here how you can utilize this reflection and symmetry, how you can utilize this? For that, one activity is given to you. Take a paper, fold it once, again fold it and make a square like. Then from the corners like this way, you have to cut the design and then open it. See, you can have a symmetrical design. Okay, craft work can be done with the help will be useful with the help of this symmetrical shapes. Okay, now let us start with our exercise, that is exercise number 9C. Okay, question number 1. I hope you have understood about symmetry and reflection very well. If you have any doubt, you can comment in my WhatsApp group. I will explain you again. Okay. Question number 1. Put a tick mark on those figures that are reflections of each other. Reflection, children. So what you have to do? You have to think that your mirror image should be there. What can you see in this? In mirror, can you see like this? Yes, you will be able to see like this. So this is a correct one. Now number B. L, see here. L will be seen like this, not like this. So it is wrong. R is also wrong. This top in mirror will be seen here only. This pointed part of a leaf. It will not go up. So this is also wrong. 4 will be seen like this. It is clear. Then 5, this part will be coming here only. It will be seen like this. Okay, instead of that it is given like this. So that is also wrong. Again here P is also wrong. P will not be seen like this. It will be seen like this. Okay. C, correct. This is also correct. This is also correct. Correct. And this wrong. Right. This is the way how you can check. If you want, you can keep a mirror in between and check whether it is seen like that, and then you write the answers. Okay. Fine. Now let us do question number 2. Circle the numerals that are symmetrical. Draw the line or lines of symmetry through them. Just see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 are given. Okay, these digits are given to you. You have to circle the number in which line of symmetry is possible, or the digit which is symmetrical shape. Okay, so see, in 1 if I draw like this, then also it will not come properly. So here also if I draw, here the tip is coming and here nothing is there, so not possible in this. In 2 also not possible. In 3, yes, it is possible. From middle if I draw like this, it is possible, so circle this. Okay, in 4 it is not possible. 5 it is not possible. 6 also it is not possible. 7 also it is not possible. 8 it is possible, this also and this way also, right? So circle 8 once again. Okay, in 9 also it is not possible. In 0 it is possible. How many you want, you can draw in that. See, I am drawing here. Whatever number is coming, you can draw. Okay, this is the way you can draw. So 0 is also possible, so circle 0 also. So here 3, 8 and 0 are the 3 digits which are symmetrical. In which line of symmetry you can draw. Other digits are not symmetrical. Okay, fine. Let us start with next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, draw the reflected shape to make a symmetrical image. Okay, see here, like this is given in your book. Okay, see, squares are given, a square grid is given backside, on that is drawn, but I have drawn like that only. You have to try it by your own. What you have to do? You have to draw the mirror image of it. What you will do? Like this you will draw. Okay, once again here, 1, down, again like this, down, again like this, down, like this, down. Okay, this is the another part. Once again here and here, right? Because the line of symmetry is in cross, so this tip is in the opposite side of this. You cannot draw like this here. Okay, because it is in cross. If you will keep the mirror here, you will be able to see whatever you can see in mirror, you have to draw on the other side. Okay, this way you have to draw the reflective image or symmetrical image on the other side, and line of symmetry you have to draw in such a way. I hope you are clear with this. Okay, and we have completed our exercise 9C. Now here tessellation is given to you. Tessellation means what? Children, you all know that if you observe the floor of your house, the tiles are being kept. Now how the tiles are arranged in your house? One tile with the other tile with the third tile. Okay, if the tiles are arranged, if the tile shape is circle, and if I am drawing here, means I am arranging that. Just see what will happen. In between the shape, in between the gap will be remaining. See here, this gap is remaining. Can you see? Yes, this gap is remaining. So these shapes are, we cannot say they are tessellated. Okay, tessellation means what? When the tiles is like this, square, again another tile, again another tile, okay, or it is in pentagon shape or hexagon shape. Then see, you can again draw. Okay, these are all known as tessellation. Just see here, they have shown you tessellation. This is tessellating shape. Here, no, it is not, because here the space will remain. So this shape is not tessellate. Again, the honeycomb. Honeybees are living in honey, means honeycomb. That honeycombs, all cells are tessellated, hexagon shape. The top of the turtle, okay, they are also hexagon shape. The pineapple's upper skin, just see the shape, nothing is there in between, right? Same way here, one exercise is given which you have to do in textbook only. Okay, take the pattern that tessellate. Take the pattern that tessellate. See here, no space in between. So, tick mark, it is tessellate. Here space is there, gap is there, so not tessellate, so cross it. Here, again tick mark it, because the space is not remaining in between. Here also, space is not remaining in between, so tick mark. Here, see in circle, space is remaining, so no, cross. Again here, no space is remaining, not a single space you can see, so tick mark, it is tessellate. Again here, cross. Why cross? Because little bit of space, arrangement is not done properly, so little bit of space is remaining in between, so not tessellating, right? Okay, same way here, copy the pattern given here, use pencil to join the dots and then color. Here same pattern you have to continue further. This you have to do for by yourself only. Okay, count the number of dots and draw it, and then color. You can do color also of it. Okay, then patterns are given, different patterns are given. Now what is pattern? The design, the dress or the bed sheet which you have at your home. Your mother's dress are having somewhat like these designs, where mangoes are given, where heart shapes are given, where flowers are given. Okay, they are arranged in such a way, somewhere only like this one line, somewhere like this in sleeping position, somewhere all the four are in opposite direction, somewhere all are inward direction, right? Here outward direction, here inward direction. Okay, means the pattern, this is called patterns. Different patterns are being used for drawing different designs, right? And patterns are used in such way. But here, this question, next page, 158 number page, this we are cancelling out from our syllabus using the code, and exercise 9D also is of the same, that is been cancelled from the syllabus. And then last, children, there is a chapter checkup which I have already solved and given to you in the book, but here you have to do it by your own. Okay, I hope you have understood with the topic, right? And everything is clear. Here our chapter 9 is completed. The syllabus is also completed for evaluation 1. If you have any doubts, students, please feel free to ask anytime. If you are feeling that this all things are not understood or any single topic is not understood, please comment in my WhatsApp, and if you have doubt, you can comment. I will reply you within when I will see the message, I will reply you as soon as possible. Okay, and now next video I will send you for the activities, because I know so many of you are having confusion that activities are being sent or not sent. Okay, I have not sent any of the activity till now. Now I will send you the activity which you have to write in the activity book. Okay, and then when the group discussion will be taken, or when the activity will be taken in WhatsApp calling, that time you have to show me that activity pages, and it is after the exam, so don't get worried and don't panic. Okay, you have so much of time. Before that, once again, repeat everything whatever I have taught you. Okay, there will be the exam which is mock test first, that is of 10 marks, that is practice test, through which you will understand wherever you are facing the problem, you will understand it. So it is been in Google form. And next it will be the written exam, which will be, the paper will be sent to you in WhatsApp or Google form, and then you have to write in one paper and then click the photograph and then send me in my personal WhatsApp. That is for your exams, 20 marks exams. Okay, I hope you have understood. Still, if you have any doubt, please write in my WhatsApp, send a message to me. I will reply to you as soon as I will see it. Okay, thank you, bye.